If you are running Google Ads and struggling to get new leads or sales, then this is one of the most important videos you are going to see. Hello, I'm Uzair and I've helped thousands of businesses, marketeers, and professionals with their Google Ads campaigns. If you care about results and want a positive ROI for your Google Ads, then click the button around this video for a free VIP masterclass I've created just for you. The masterclass will teach you actionable steps to help you structure your Google Ads campaign the right way. This includes how to pay the lowest cost per click, outrank and outbid your competitors effortlessly, and show you an unknown free Google Ads tool no one knows about, which turbocharges your workflow from hours into minutes. You will look over my shoulder on how I create a complete campaign, from keyword research to writing ads. One thing I can promise you is that no one on YouTube and on the internet is teaching you what I'm going to teach you during this masterclass. It is 100% free to join and you will get instant access. Click on the button around this video to get instant access. I appreciate your time and I look forward to seeing you in the masterclass.